Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Siri shortcuts not working on iPhone. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, I have some simple solutions to fix this issue. So guys, force quit the shortcuts app and start again. So the next solution is force restart your iPhone. So guys, for the force restart iPhone, tap on power button, volume up and volume down at the same time for the 15 seconds when Apple logo appears. So after force restarting your iPhone, so guys, the next solution is delete the shortcuts app and reinstall it. So for this, tap and hold down the shortcut and tap on remove app and delete app. Delete. So after deleting this, install again from your app store. Sorry, I have not connected my Wi-Fi here. So reinstall again. So after reinstalling your shortcuts app, so guys, the next solution is update your iPhone to the latest iOS version. So guys, for this, open settings, scroll down, tap on general, tap on software update. So check for update, and so guys, update your iPhone to the latest iOS version. After updating your iPhone to the latest iOS version, so guys, the next solution is, and the last solution, reset all settings on your iPhone. So guys, for the reset, tap on settings, tap on general, scroll down, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset all settings here. So guys, this will reset all settings. No data or media will be deleted from your iPhone. So guys, here are the some simple solutions to fix your Siri shortcuts not working issue on your iPhone. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.